little skull. It's so scary looking. I don't like it.
You're so scary looking.
It's so scary.
I just heard the fear and hunger sound.
Which one?
You know, like the knocking on the door in the first game.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
Oh,
just...
the.
No. No, not that.
Not that one. Here, check the
Not that
thing.
one?
Not that one.
Oh, baboon hawk!
There's
no,
a
I was about to
monkey
kill it.
in
I was
my
about
bed.
to jump off the ship and kill it.
There was also an earthworm that would have eaten you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they do that.
But so Elliot, are you sure you weren't talking about the?
Aiden, you were here the whole time.
No, I'm not. I'm talking about like the
You've
knocking.
been restricted.
But you're not talking about the.
Shut up.
Oh, okay.
What knock are you talking about?
I know the one he's talking about, the percussion in the title screen. Like.
Yeah.
You know the percussion that plays during the part that goes like.
Shut up.
And then there's also one song that goes like.
Bless you, mother.
At the age of 12. It's so accurate. There's like.
To anyone who isn't familiar with this, it sounds like you're having an episode.
I know. But you know the song, right? I'm even getting the parts in between the blah.
Yeah, they're like doing it perfectly.
Can you send it for reference?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Can you
We
send
can
it
time
for
it, so
reference?
that means we're doing it right.
Can I what for reference?
Can you
Send it?
can you send it?
Yeah, sure, I'll send it.
Thank you. You're so kind.
And then the second one goes.
Nicholas, what moons are available?
Literally every single movie except
Oh my god, you're so good at doing that.
I know.
Bitches love my touching swag because I go, BWAH!
Bitches love my.
not somebody who's ever played Fear and Hunger during this conversation. Like,
Bitches love me until I la da da da.
God, you literally can't see like 2 feet in front of you. What? Okay, don't fall in the
Bitches
water.
love me when I la da 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 da. Bitches love me when I. Hello there.
Are we going the right way? I'm lost.
You know what that is, right?
No.
That's Pocket Cat when you fight him.
Ah!
Hello there. And then when you fight someone in Fear and Hunger 2, it's like.
I ain't no Elliot.
But the opening sound effects. No, you need to be like the.
And then when you're walking around for Hevel, it's like.
Oh, I see the Matrix.
And then when you're in the part of for Hevel that got shelled, it's like.
Wah.
And then when you're in for Hevel Bop, it's like. you recognize that one, right? The-
Yeah, of course. No, it's more like. Whoa.
And then it's like.
Yo, it goes.
And that's when you're fighting Needs, or like the mob, or any of the Moonscorch contestants.
Maddox, can I get a Crow Mauler impression?
Yeah, can I get a curl mauler?
And then if you accidentally get into a fight with it,
Oh yeah, I forgot that he makes a noise. Now I don't think I'm
it just sounds like a retard.
An autistic presence has entered
A retarded presence.
Oh, is that the sound it plays whenever
Shut
you
up.
walk in a room?
A disabled presence has entered the room and it's Cromwell in a wheelchair.
It's just fucking Olivia.
No, it's Cromwell, right? The bicycle helmet.
You can distract him with lollipops.
Aww.
With like lollipops.
Yeah, when you're like walking through the old town of Perhevel, and then you remember that you need heads to get soul stones, and then you like fight the Moonscorch that are like stretching their face off, and it's like.
I don't remember Fear and Hunger 2 sound effects as much. Like, I just know the whoa noise that it makes.
Oh.
That one's really good.
Maddox, can we get a Fear and Hunger 1 battle star?
No, it's no, you'd be deeper like.
You guys sound like airplanes.
Do you guys want a Fear and Hunger slash sound effect?
Yeah, yeah, please.
Yeah. When you have like a standard like bladed weapon and you use it on a limb.
Yeah.
No, it's like.
That's when you're using a blunt weapon.
No. Like, well, yeah, yeah.
Can I get an impale
Aiden,
sound
I need
effect,
to hear
please?
your impression. Aiden, what's your impression of these things? What's your impression?
Thank
I
you.
don't have an opinion on the matter.
Aiden, I need your opinion. This
And
is
like
a situation
that when that sound
where you
plays
cannot
when you're like
have
fighting a prison guard and then you feel the coin flip move and they kill you. You go back to the title screen. It's like.
the coin sound effect.
Maddox, can I get a prison guard roar? Wait, what?
What's he doing,
Preacher.
scared? At
At this point, the monsters are like, what the fuck are they?
I know, nobody's even run into us. Like, we're just.
What the fuck are they doing?
Nada, 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 nada.
They're just.
And then when you cut off Needle's arm and the other one pulls out a Glock, he goes like.
What if Needle's arm was What if Needle was actually Freakle and he had to be freaky with you?
That's what he does when he pins you to the wall.
Instead
He
of
makes you
touching
orgasm.
he touches you like crazy.
And then when you're
Well, yeah.
in the bunkers in Fear and Hunger 2 and you turn on the telelectroscopes and they go.
I hate the noise that they make.
But then like you're in combat
Oh yeah,
and
when
using your
you're in
red
the
points and it's like.
when you're in like the weird alternate dimension where all the hands are, and it's like. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a thumper.
It's coming. Max, can I get a chrome mauler?
Any losses?
Can I get a
Any
chrome
losses?
mauler?
Head count? Let's just keep walking. Oh, we're too far away. It's okay. He stopped shooting at us. It's good.
That reminds me of in Fear and Hunger 2. You see you and they're like walking towards you and it's like. But then like, oh, hey Bracken,
Or the like the saw sound effect where you're sawing off your lids and
he's coming after one of us.
No, Nicholas!
Oh my god.
Nicholas!
Oh my god.
Get back here! He's gone!
He's ready to
Shit,
go!
it's a turn.
By the sword, die by the sword, Maddox.
We live together. Go! Oh my god. Wait, it's dead.
No, there's a second one.
Did you like my Easter egg go impression? Because
Yeah.
it worked. Can I get a Chromauler again?
Which one? Like answering the fight or the...
Entering the room.
I want
The
both.
terrifying presence.
I want both.
Okay, so a terrifying presence is into the room.
John!
And then when you enter the fight,
You want these hands?
why,
I
what's
just scared
there?
off a Bracken.
Oh, I saw its eyes.
Yeah, because
And
it's,
then when you enter the fight, he's like,
Thank you, thank you.
We have to get out. Come on.
How do we get out of here?
and then you roll a tails, and then he pecks your head off like,
Yeah, that's the sound effect I'm talking about, though. Yeah. This guy gets it.
Ahara has lost his left arm. It's bleeding heavily.
Anal
the fuck
bleeding
up.
status effect.